Oh, hello everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero with a special weather update on a Saturday. A couple things in this one. We're going to talk about the storms that are going out there right now. And we're going to talk about some computer upgrades. Just because this new Canon camera, the footage the old laptop couldn't handle, so I had to upgrade to the newest laptop, which I'm going to show you guys along with a little studio update vlog. So let's get started with a little unboxing. Alright, now that we have everything unboxed, the kind of setup that's going to happen here, the laptop is either going to be plugged into an eGPU like that then branches out to some other USBs. I have this external hard drive with the polar bear on top right now. And that's going to be my setup for editing, where I have that laptop connecting to the monitor. I have an old Mac Pro down here. That's my server. That's my 12 terabyte server. This 40-inch screen right now is what my computer would connect to in order to cast multiple screens. I can have radar up here. And I have a little couch for sitting. If I have guests come over, they can sit down here. And now into the actual recording area. Little podium setup I have here. This is the overhead shotgun mic. You don't see the mic on there right now because I'm using the shotgun mic on the Canon camera right now. So that would all stand right up here. A couple of tripods I have set up here for the lights, for the camera, side camera, the main green screen, and then some sound and light baffling with these curtains. So all of this took probably a good year to set up efficiently. And then over here, oh yes, this is where I have all of my video and audio equipment. The drones, the GoPros, audio gear, the stick mic I normally use. A little cardboard over here where I have all of my memory cards allocated. And my side monitor for the green screen. So that kind of wraps up this little studio vlog update. Still trying to work on some sound baffling. There's an ever so slight echo in here. But overall, not too bad. So I'm going to now start editing this video on here once I actually get the outside portion done. I'm going to head outside, do my little weather spiel out there, come back in here and edit it on my new computer. Well, hello again, everybody. We are outside now. And what's interesting with being outside here is it's grayish. I'm just looking at completely gray clouds. I had to really crank up the white balance on the camera here because of just how gray and overcast it is. It feels humid. I have a temperature of 80 degrees where I am right now. This is, as of this recording, it's 8 p.m. and it's 80 degrees. So the dew point right now where I am is 68 degrees, which is still pretty humid, and it's 80 degrees out. So this is still leaving us with some potential for thunderstorms. The thunderstorms we have seen throughout the afternoon. Now, what are we expecting tomorrow? Well, kind of the same thing, except maybe just a little bit more shower action here and there. Versus today, it started off like a beautiful sunny day. It got hot, and that energy gave us the thunderstorms. That's what we could expect tomorrow as well, except with a little bit more shower activity throughout the day. Now again, it's not going to be as warm as we've seen, but a little teaser going into next week. It looks like we have another couple of great days in a row, and looks like it's going to be another hot one. So if you are interested in finding out exactly when those very nice days are going to be, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and that little bell icon right next to that so you get notified whenever I upload a video like this or I do go live. I hope you enjoyed the little studio vlog and my little changes I've made with my editing workspace and my editing computer. I'm continuously working on trying to get you guys the best content that I can provide for you. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Thank you for joining me on this studio vlog and a little bit of an unboxing as well, and this weather update. Thank you again, and I will see you all in the next video.